Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. All friends, we meet again here on this channel, and this time we have an Asus laptop with Dimit that can turn on the indicator light, but nothing appears on the monitor screen, and the caps lock light also doesn't work when I try to press it. Well, to fix this, first we try to turn it on without a battery, and it still doesn't work normally. Let's check the RAM. Let's try to clean it first. Who knows, it will work. We use a pencil eraser as usual. Okay, then we install again. Now we try to turn on the laptop. And okay, now it can look normal. Alhamdulillah, hopefully the laptop can last and the owner can be happy because the laptop is back to normal now. Thank you, see you in other videos on this channel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.